Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install some organizer stuff on our RAV4. So come on, let's begin. All right, so again, these two boxes in here were sent to me by ELECFRESH. If you want to purchase this product, I'll put the link in the description below. It will be an Amazon affiliate link. And yeah, so let's start with the box here. So we're gonna open this one. This will be the 6-piece center console organizer tray. And again, this will fit the 5th gen RAV4. So let me open it up. All right. So for this one, first, the quality on this one is nice. So this is plastic. It's nice, thick plastic. I like it. So this one, I believe this one goes to the, the pocket on your left side on the dash, basically under the vent. That hole in there or that space in there, you can use this, and this will be the drawer for it. So that's nice. So with this one, they put some kind of anti-slip thingy in here just to avoid it from sliding. So yeah. So this is, if I'm gonna put this, I think I'm gonna put some cloth tape here in the back just to avoid it from making any sound, any rattling sound, if there will be any. So, and the next one that we have here is this will be for the center console, and it got some double-sided tape on the side. So on the center console at the bottom by the shift knob or by the shifter, we will put this in there, and we'll have a 2-level space in there. So this will be helpful. So yeah, so I'll show you once I install that. So this is a rubber piece. So okay, this is for the cup holder. So there's 2 of them. So one of them will be in the back, I believe. Yeah. And then one will be on the center console. So we'll see which one goes where. Okay. Then we have this long rubber thingy. Okay. Also, it has some divider in here. It's nice. So this will be on the passenger side, on that opening in there. This will be helpful in there. So nice. Yeah, so it's made of silicone. And yeah. Then there's this one. This one actually go to your center console by the armrest. So there's some organizer in here for coins. It has an opening in here for your USB. And yeah, this is nice. I like it. So yeah, so it has this silicone thing here. All right, so basically that's it for this particular kit. Next box that we will open, we'll see what they are. So we'll be installing this later. So just talking about this one out here on the table. So now let's see this one. So these are again from ELECFRESH, and these are silicone, and these are actually trash bin, some small trash bin that you slide in on your door. So they are marked FL front left. Okay, and the other one, let's see here, it's gonna be on the other side, and it's marked as FR in there. So we'll see. Okay, so oh man, okay, mine is damaged. I don't care. So yep. So if you have issues like this, feel free to contact them. Again, we got this. Again, they're just trash bin. It won't really be seen. So I'm okay with that. But again, if you want, of course, if you pay for it, definitely have an exchange. All right. So let's go in the vehicle to install this. Again, quality wise on this one, it's nice. Again, I really like the quality on this one. um, I just don't know why this one got ripped. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, so again, nobody's perfect. So let's go in the car and install this. All right, so now let's try first the trash bin. So let's try the FL on this side. So the one that says FL, okay. So let's remove that bottled water and let's try to fit this in. There you go. Easily it slides in there and you'll have a trash bin. So if you have a bottled water, you can still use it and properly secure it on that side. Let's check if we can still use this. Oh yeah, you can still use it if you want to. Okay, so yeah, so that works. And now let's move on to the other side. All right, so now on the passenger side, same thing, very easy, very straightforward. That's it, we're done. All right, so now let's move in installing the organizer stuff that we have in here. All right, so the tray in here, the drawer, so we just put that in there and it's in place. So if you have something that you want, basically you can just grab them in there. So again, if you want this, I'll put the link in the description below. It's a nice addition that you can have this in here just to utilize this space in here. I find this space really kind of useless. But now with this one, I think there will be a use for it. So again, if you want to organize stuff, you can put them in there. So yep. So now let's move on to the center console area. Let's see. All right, so now for this center console stuff here, so the storage divider that we have in here, let's test fit it first. Okay, I'm kind of worried about the cable, but yeah, so it fits. Okay, and we still have access there on the USB cable. Mine doesn't perfectly fit because of my LED is stripped up here, so that's why there's a gap. But if you don't have that, this will sit flush under the climate control. But yeah, so it still works though. So the way I have this one out, I have my USB cable plugged in, so you can have a phone here or another phone here. So again, it's up to you. And then we have this organizer. So again, we're using this extra space in here just for our phones, okay, and other stuff if you have any other stuff that you can think of. So for this one, basically you just have to peel off the double-sided tape and then slide it in, and basically that's it. So I'll do that. Let me peel them off. All right, so again, you just need to slide this in. I have the double-sided tape peeled, and let's have to press it on the side, and then it's there. Okay, so that's all good. So yep, okay, so that's not gonna go anywhere really. So yeah, so now we'll check the one that goes in here. Again, it's just a rubber or a silicone thingy that goes in there. Same thing, the one in the back. All right, so for this one, basically a simple drop in, won't go anywhere. There you go. All right, so now the one that goes here, we just simply, again, just push it in, set it into place, and there you go. Again, very easy, very nice, and very helpful organizer. All right, so next one, basically the one that goes in here, will be very helpful. Once we drop this one in here, you see there, I can still fit it. So the opening for the USB is in there, so it's gonna be very helpful. So yeah, so basically that's it. I'm not really gonna put anything on top of that since it sits well on that area. Probably it can be lower if I remove the stuff, but yeah, so but let's try it though. All right, okay, so now that I remove some of the stuff, we're gonna try it in, and let's drop it in. There you go. It sits all the way there, so nice. Okay, so that's good. I like it. So yeah, this will be very helpful though. All right, so now that we're done with the storage there, now our center console, let's move here in the back armrest with the cup holders in here. Again, simply drop it in, set it into place, and that's it. So again, these are very helpful organizer stuff and trash bin. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.